Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss the trigonometric table and complementary angle. Now let's discuss. You have to just remember the values of 5 angles only, which are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now this table is look like a very complicated, but it's very easy to remember. Now in the first row, in the values of sine theta, which is sine 0 degree value is 0, sine 30 degree value is half, and sine 45 degree value is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree value is 1. Now in the second row, the values of cos theta. Now you have to just write it in reverse way as you have written for the sine theta values. So now here the cos 0 degree value is 1, which is equal to the values of sine 90 degree. Similarly, cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2, which is equal to the values of sine 60 degree, and cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2, which is equal to the values of sine 45 degree, and cos 60 degree value is half, which is equal to the values of sine 30 degree value, and cos 90 degree value is 0, which is equal to the values of sine 0 degree. So you can remember only one row, you can easily write the values of cos theta. Now we can calculate the values of tan theta. Now tan theta is very easy calculate. Now here we know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Now only divided sin theta value by cos theta value. Now here the tan 0 degree value is 0. Now 0 is divided by 1, which is 0. Now the values of tan 30 degree value is half divided by root 3 by 2, which is 1 by root 3. Now tan 45 degree value is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, which is 1, and tan 60 degree value is root 3 by 2 divided by half, which is root 3, and tan 90 degree value is 1 divided by 0, which is infinity. Now it's very easy to remember. Only you can remember two rows value, which is sin theta values and cos theta values. Now we calculate the values of cosec theta. Now cosec theta, we know that the y is equals to the 1 by sin theta. So now here the value of cosec 0 degree value is infinity. Now we calculate here the 0 1 by 0, which is infinity. Now cosec 30 degree value is 1 divided by half, which is 2. Now cosec 45 degree value is 1 divided by 1 by root 2, which is root 2, and cosec 60 degree value is 1 divided by root 3 by 2, which is 2 by root 3, and cosec 90 degree value is 1 divided by 1, which is 1. Now sec theta value, we calculate the sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Now here sec 0 degree value is 1 divided by 1 is 1. Now here sec 30 degree value is 1 divided by root 3 by 2 is here 2 by root 3, and sec 45 degree value is 1 by root 2, 1 divided by 1 by root 2, which is root 2, and sec 60 degree value is here half, which is 1 divided by half, which is 2, and sec 90 degree value is 0, which is 1 divided by 0, which is infinity. Now we calculate the value of cot theta. Now we know that cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. So now the value here cot 0 degree value is 1 divided by 0, which is infinity, and cot 30 degree value is here 1 divided by 1 by root 3, which is root 3, and cot 45 degree value is 1 divided by 1, which is 1, and cot 60 degree value is 1 divided by root 3, which is 1 by root 3, and cot 90 degree value is here 1 by infinity, which is 0. Now we go to the trigonometric example, which is now the solve this expression. Here sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Now we simply here put the angle values of sin cos from this table. Now here the values of sin 60 degree value, which is root 3 by 2, and we know that the values of cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. So plus now here sin 30 degree value is half, and cos 60 degree value is half. So here we simplify the expression here, and we get here 4 by divided by 4, which is 1. This is the answer. Now we calculate the complementary angle. So we know that the two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equals to 90 degree. Now this is the right angle triangle I will take here. Now triangle ABC and his whose angle B is right angle, which is the value is 90 degree. Now we know that from all triangles the three angles of the triangles are sum of the three angles of the triangle is equals to 180 degree. So from this triangle I will calculate here sum of three angles is equals to 180 degree. So here angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So here the given value at angle B is equals to 90 degree. So put the value of B at the place of angle B, which is 90 degree. Now here angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degree. So the sum of angle A and angle C are 90 degree. So we can say that these two angles are complementary angle. Now we calculation how to calculate the complementary angle. Now here from this triangle, here angle A and angle C are both the acute angle. So for angle A we calculate the ratios of sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A and cot A. And for angle C, this acute angle, we calculate the ratios of sin C, cos C, tan C, cosec C and sec C. Now first we calculate for angle A. Now here the ratio of sin A, which is BC by AC, BC by AC, which is, and we know that cosec A equals to 1 by sin A. Simply we calculate here AC by BC. Now cos A equals to AB by AC. So here sec A equals to 1 by cos A, which is AC by AB, and tan A equals to BC by AB. So here height by base, and cot A equals to just 1 by tan A, which is AB by BC. Now we calculate for angle C, acute angle C. Now here the ratio is sin C equals to here AB by AC, and so cosec C equals to 1 by sin C, which is AC by AB, and cos C equals to BC by AC, which is and sec C equals to 1 by cos C, which is AC by BC. So now we calculate the ratio of tan C. Now tan C equals to the ratio of height by base. Now here height AB by BC, and cot C equals to 1 by tan C. Now here BC by AB. Now we compare the both ratios of same. Now compare the two ratios are same. Now compare here. Now here sin A equals to the ratio BC by AC, and cos C equals to the BC by AC. Now the both the ratio are same. Now we can write here sin A equals to cos C. And we also know that here angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degree. From I will discuss from previous slide. Now here we can say that both the angle are complementary, so their sum is equals to 90 degree. So we can write here angle C equals to 90 degree or minus A. So 90 degree or minus A, this expression we can this value of angle C we can place here in the place of C. Now here we can write here cos 90 degree or minus A. So we can say here cos 90 degree or minus A is equals to sin A. Now similarly we compare two terms here. Both the ratio are same here. Here cos A equals to ratio AB by AC, and sin C equals to the AB by AC. So both the ratio are same. So we can write here cos A equals to sin C. So similarly we apply the complementary angle formula, which is angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degree. So we can write here at the place of C here C is equals to 90 degree or minus A. So we calculate here sin 90 degree or minus A equals to cos A. So similarly we calculate the trigonometric identity tan A equals to BC by AB, and cot C equals to BC by AB. So both the ratio are same. So we can say here cot 90 degree or minus A equals to tan A. Similarly we calculate here the cosec A, the sec A equals to 90 degree or minus A equals to cosec A, and here the cosec 90 degree or minus A sec A, and tan 90 degree or minus A cot A. The same procedure you can calculate it. Now here the sixth trigonometric identity, which is cos 90 degree or minus A equals to sin A, and sin 90 degree or minus A cos A, and tan 90 degree of minus a cot a, and cosec 90 degree of minus a sec a, and sec 90 degree of minus a cosec a, and cot 90 degree of minus a tan a. So you can easily calculate it. And now we go to the example here. Now calculate the tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree. Now here the cot 25 degree, I will take the cot 25 degree. We can write here cot from this trigonometric identity. Here we know that tan 90 degree of minus equals to cot a. So here cot a means here a value is 25 degree, a equals to 25 degree. So here cot a equals to, you can write here tan 90 degree of minus a. So here the values of a here 25 degree, so we put here. So 90 degree or minus 25 degree, which is tan 65 degree. So here cot 25 degree equals to tan 65 degree. So we put the value of cot 25 degree in the expression here, and we get tan 65 degree divided by tan 65 degree, which is the answer is 1.